How many? We only have 1 minute for the countdown 2026. That's a very quick one. You're so advanced, girl. Yun yung sundan nating oras, hindi yung kan ng iPhone.
On the banks of the River Thames. It has taken a crew of 32 fireworks sound and lighting specialist technicians working day and night.
Oh my gosh, ito na. Pwede na tayong umutot, sumabay sa mga fireworks.
Bring us more happiness and success for all of us.
Come on, tik-tak, yan na.
Also bring the soundtrack together as well to
Excited na.
fireworks that are going to take place. You are going to be able to see them all live here on BBC News. A warning that there are flashing images involved. Let's head to the banks of the Thames for the countdown.
Naka-prepare na sila dun sa si Evelyn, naka-live na rin siya. Tik-tak, andun na sila sa terrace. We are on live now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Wow.
Make it zoom.
Happy New Year! I did.
Video is there.
Amoy balbaliktad.
Pangit mo.
No, may balbalik. Isum mo kasi ako nagpangit kang ganda, oh. Isum mo, ah.
Kung may isum. Kasi ano mang isum?
Ano ba yan? Siyempre kasi mo na eh. Di pa yung mga nakaon kasi ano nga isum nga eh. Ano nga kukuti ka nalaing ngayon? Focus.
Oh, yun na. What is that, ano?
London, I make all this
Look, what,
amusement. Which one, the Tower Bridge and
A certain animation, sabi nila. But no drones. Okay.
$12,000 fireworks.
Yeah.
Let's have a little snoop around in 2020.
last year was the revival 4,000 to 5,000 pounds.
Huh?
Ay, yung mga kanila, yung mga soundtrack na, no?
Yung music nila gano'n.
True. Ah, ang ganda.
Ay, God. Happy New Year!
Imagine may mga ganun pa siya.
Oo nga, kasi nga different daw ngayon. That's why they didn't use drone.
Wow, galing.
Amongst doubles champions from Great Britain.
Happy New Year, everyone!
Germany has done it, and on American soil, Europe have retained the Ryder Cup.
An unforgettable year for women's sport in England. 2025 Rugby World Cup final.
Yeah, may ganyan pa siya, oh. Galing talaga.
Nagpayag ka.
Back in days, people go there afternoon to sit until night time.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, very.
Galing!
Yeah, what is 2025, the way and everything going on.
Imagine na pag nagawa pa nilang gano'n. The Big Ben. Oh. Bumawi ang UK ngayon.
Here's what England means to me. The real England. When it's sunny, it's too hot. When it's cold, the weather's rubbish. England to me is a cup of tea. How many sugars? Sweet enough.
Yes.
To me, it's Caribbean barbecue.
The English weather.
Neighbours saying happy Hanukkah, mate. And Muslim mums saying Merry Christmas, love. And you think you're seeing flags now?
All the
Then
world.
you'll know about flags, my son. Because this is what England means to me.
Where's the Philippines there? Can you see it?
I saw it before.
Or who your God is. Because this is England.
Tapos England na siya. This is United Kingdom. Happy graduation. They've been there for 8 o'clock.
Because after they close the roads.
They close everything because they already have tickets. The same ticket.
Wow, galing. Are you ready? Tapos baka meron yung opalite. Don't you want me, baby?
Your attention, please. It is now officially tea time. That's 1 o'clock.
Tea time. Sino kaya ang guest nilang singer, girl? Yeah, kasi yan daw ang theme ngayon. It's togetherness. I know.
Last year was different.
Yeah, they're simple and very good. This time they didn't use drone.
Last year?
They last year, yeah, but this time not.
Yeah, for the last 2 years.
They should show the Scotland here as well.
After this one, we will show.
At the same time,
Yeah,
Scotland.
because before it's Paris and Berlin. They
But that
make
is
half.
different.
No, they are these.
They're recording, yeah.
They play half the number.
Hello, fellow Londoners.
Wicked!
Let us stand for positivity and hope. Embrace the magic that we all have inside. And come together for good.
Kaya nga may konting animation talaga, sabi niya. Beauty!
All British made.
Tifa!
Their sports and everything.
Happy New Year!
Ito yung darling ko. Yeah, it.
Ay, ang galing!
Galing.
Grabe, mga pinaghirapan nila.
Wow, mga packs natin yan. Mga packs natin yan.
Defying gravity!
Chris pa mo.
At least nakikita kung saan ang pinupuntahan ng pera ng mga taxpayers. Hindi sa bulsa ng mga kurakot na politiko sa Pilipinas.
Hoy, mga kurakot sa Pilipinas, magbago na kayo.
With somebody who loves me. Ka-synchronize talaga. Don't you wanna dance? Say you wanna dance.
Yure da Shelwe da din dahil.
Tadi dag bebuet at naka-live mo ni Evelyn.
Pag nanaganto yung kanta niya. Ang yure ni Lugdibi na kagulo. Nagbayag ah.
15 minutes.
I've got all my sisters with me. We are family.
Wala pa 10 minutes.
Pati mga sound eh. Hindi ko alam kung sa live is dinig mo ang music ba? Dinig mo ba ang ganyang kalakas?
Huwag ka lang magsasalita.
It's more on... Sa TV talaga makikita mo ang ano niya. Yung kompleto na view.
In a place for everyone. Talaga, in a place for everyone.
Yeah, place for everyone. Kasi nga, lahat na lang ng mga kwan, kinukuha nila dito. My God, tapos na naman ang taon. Salamat po sa 2025. All the best for 2026, everyone. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, ang galing. IC na ang daan. Mag-ingat na, mga kapips.
Frosty.
Frosty. Madulas na. Yung sapatos ko ngayon, madulas yun.
Baka gisno. Yung pati focus guys na.
Pwede kasi negative da.
Oh my God, zero.
Happy New Year!
Negative 3.
Negative 3 nga. Kanina ko pa sinasabi sa'yo. Ang ganda ng mga music ah.
Yeah, because the last one didn't get it like that.
Forgot and never brought to mind. Should all the acquaintance be for and days for old lang syne, for old lang syne, my friend. Lang syne will take. Talagang ginaw na ginaw sila. Oh, old lang syne. Kahit kaya magkakalapit sila, giniginaw for Ren.
Siyempre. Kasi open yan eh.
Happy New Year! UK rings in 2026 and now it's 12:15.
I say it every year, but I say it
So how much is
again.
the ticket?
I really do think that London do the best.
VIP is ranging from 60 to 70. Yeah.
To stand outside.
That is you know where the bridge is, overlooking the wheel, the big wheel. What's that?
2026.
The London Eye.
Everything that you want. That was amazing.
Did you watch
You
it?
at home will have seen what they didn't see down on the banks of the River Thames, which was things like all of those flags projected into the London Eye. And then we had Cynthia Erivo as a wicked character there appear, which just added that extra element. So let's head back down to the banks of the River Thames. Greg Mackenzie is there. Wow, what a display. What was it like with you down there? Noisy, I imagine, but enjoyable.
An incredible sight. Everyone was glued. Everyone was looking up. Everyone was filming on their phones. 100,000
An
people
old
loved
lang
the
side.
to experience this. Some said earlier today, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity as the London Eye came alive and the night sky
We'll
was lit
take a
up
cup
with
of
12,000
kindness, yeah.
fireworks. The chimes of Big Ben. There is the countdown, the 10,
Filipino
the
na.
9, the 8, the 7, and now we are officially...
Happy birthday, John Vencerano. Oh, instead na Happy New Year, ang sinabi ko.
Pinagsisina na kayo. Nagre-re kayo na.
Yes, yes. Happy birthday! O, tingnan mo naman ang kwan. Walang ayos-ayos yan. Ano handa nyo? Tingnan mo yung nagsasalita. Naglilisp siya, Christina. Parang hindi niya may pronounce ang F. F lahat yan. Yeah, spectacular. Ano dyan?
Ay, karo ba yung wala?
Birthday niya ngayon eh.
Damo babae.
Yes, I need to say Happy New Year to you, Greg. I didn't do it when I came to you. I'll do it now. Do you know, did the proposals that we thought were going to happen happen?
They've happened. I've seen a guy who just gone down on one knee to propose. But,
Yeah, but you didn't film it. You nag-propose.
All sorts here this year.
Ay, kayo mabalikan. Kukat, ape, wala nun takay ta ulog. Naririnig ka.
Now it looks like you're going to be able to mingle a little bit. I don't know if we can spin the camera around and show Nikki everyone that's still here. And there's lots of people still here. Look, the crew, they're all trying to get out of the way. Look, I put them on the spot then. Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Hindi na siya lumayo dun sa spot niya. Diyan siya lagi. Yung lalaki. Alam mo kung saan siya? Nandun siya sa side. Hindi siya dun sa may bridge. Dun sa bridge ang mahal. Diyan ang...
You always, it's always so spectacular. It's more spectacular than you actually imagined it would have been.
What about you there?
Oh, it was a treat for you.
Oh my gosh, it's my turn na. I didn't prepare my speech, sabi nung baba. Malayo siya.
Alas 10 lang. Gago ko no, alas 4, alauna kita yun.
How was it?
It was amazing and awesome, and I would never forget it.
Never forget. What about you? Come all the way from South Korea?
Yeah.
Annyeonghaseyo!
I cannot explain all that in my own words. It's amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you think of it? Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Yeah! I think so.
I think so.
And then we can probably walk along the crowd. Happy New Year, everyone! How was it for you?
Significant.
Was it what you thought it would be?
Yes. Over. Amazing, yes.
So there you have. That's just some of the crowd here that have gathered. 100,000 people managed to get tickets for this event, which is
Wow, tilagdak ko na pastrap na.
Yeah.
No, 100,000 ko na mo.
Thank you so much, Greg. Just before you go, my favourite moment in all of that, and it probably shows that I'm on social media.
My favorite moment.
Nothing beats a away, and I thought they were going to get
Nakanya
jet
kami.
to holiday, but we got a New Year's Eve in London. What was your favourite moment?
Hey,
My
was you?
favourite moment was the year. Oh, wow. I think, well, speaking to you, Nikki. No, that's this year, isn't it? No, we spoke last year, didn't we?
Yeah, just last year.
We
Just
did.
second.
It's becoming a regular thing. Greg, I will let you get away for the moment. We'll be back with you later because there's 100,000.
Alam mo nung last year,
from the banks of the river.
sumasakit ang tiyan ko kasi 2026 na ngayon.
You're getting on with the rest of the people
Oh my
celebrating
gosh.
there. Now, while we were watching
Masakit
the
na tayo.
fireworks,
Sakit na.
we also had
Nagregla ka mga
fireworks
tao?
in Scotland,
Hindi ko lang alam.
of course, because
Siguro.
there are the Hogmanay celebrations in Edinburgh. Here is a taste of
Pwede
what
pa ako
happens
mag-Fontes.
at midnight in
It's
Edinburgh.
nice because 2 years they cancel.
Good night, everyone. Happy New Year!
Kita si kulay eh.
Green, red, yellow, white. Yellow, and kakanta na kami. Pwede na. Kasi tapos na ang countdown. 2026 na. All the best for 2026. Oh my gosh, 2026 na talaga. Ang alam ko nun, pagka naabot na natin ang 2027, mga robot na ang nagpapagalaw ng mundo.
Yeah.
Pero parang ganun na rin pa
They
rin.
have a street party today at 8 o'clock.
Hindi ako makapag-burp.
So they do the fireworks
Ha?
on Wednesday evening.
Pag-burp ka?
Hindi ako makapag-burp, hindi ako maka-utot.
It's out and it's open.
Christmas na utot pa rin. Ay, hindi pala. 2026 na. Pero ano. Sino pa yung isang nanonood apart kay John? Ano to? Rewind.
Yung ano nasa Edinburgh.
Replay. Ay, Edinburgh naman yan. Doon tayo mag New Year sa 2027.
So there we see some
Christmas
of the
and New Year na tayo.
Christmas and New Year.
Should be.
So,
Edinburgh Castle.
Edinburgh welcomes in 2026.
In Edinburgh at
Meron din silang
and my colleague
Ferris wheel.
was there overlooking Princess Street and he joins us now live.
Yeah, in Princess Street in Edinburgh.
What was it like for you?
I'm very happy happening to you as well, Nikki. As you've just been seeing, Edinburgh has welcomed 2026 in absolutely spectacular fashion. That firework display absolutely dazzling above Edinburgh Castle. As you can see, there are still many people here on Princess Street at the street party, some 45,000.
Yan kasi ang party area sa Princess Street. Overlooking yung Edinburgh Castle.
Doon lang sa baba niya.
Yeah, sa baba niya.
Spaghetti, manok. Basit lang, gulod eh. Ako na lang.
Naku, ako na naman ang tatanungin sa.
Happy New Year to you. Where are you from and what do you make of the celebrations tonight? We flew in yesterday from Birmingham for a friend's wedding.
Ah,
Yeah, paano ko asikasuhin?
The celebrations here.
so taga Birmingham sila.
Fireworks, the atmosphere,
At siguro nakalimutan.
Yeah, it was great.
Ko lang mga guys, wala naging pras-pras.
What do you think makes Edinburgh so special in terms of Hogmanay?
Clean air.
Isutibagan.
Ang ganda talaga ng Scotland.
Yeah, tsaka malinis. Malinis pa.
It's just a shame that they
Absolutely.
can
Well, have a more enjoy the rest of the festivities. Thank you very much. Happy New Year. And we can move along actually and speak to a couple more partygoers. Happy New Year. Happy Hogmanay. Where are you from and what do you make of what you see tonight?
Nagkatan lang kayo. Nagkatan lang kayo.
Naku, wala na ako naintindihan kung ano sinabi niya. Kainin mo pa. Experience lang.
Naka-breeze eh.
Yeah, ka-braces siya.
What about yourself? I mean, obviously you're from Fife, so you have some
Tabaga
knowledge of
magpapakado mo
Hogmanay,
ito.
what happens
Very
in
cold
Scotland. But
wedding there.
what do you make of this experience of this event? Why do you think it's
Minus
so
one
special?
then.
At least it's dry. It's not raining. So.
Exciting.
My bedroom window, so it's nice to see the real thing.
definitely an upgrade. Definitely an upgrade. Nothing compares. In Scotland, there are some unique traditions on New Year's Day. What are your plans? Because some people like to go jumping.
Yan ang mga nangyari ngayong New Year's Eve. So, all the best for 2026, everyone. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.